So Korean Glass Skin Medi-Facial aims in achieving a very dewy, luminous, flawless skin exactly like a glass. Hello everyone. So do you know about this very popular and trending Medi-Facial called as the Korean Glass Skin Medi-Facial? So today we are going to talk everything about it. So what exactly is a Korean glass skin facial? How safe is it for Indian skin? How many steps are there in this facial? We are going to discuss everything about it. So I am Dr. Mehjabeen Khan, Assistant Consultant Doctor at Designer Bodies. So Korean Glass Skin Medi-Facial aims in achieving a very dewy, luminous, flawless skin exactly like a glass. So it is a multi-step skincare routine which helps in gentle exfoliation, nourishment and hydration. It is a multi-step skincare Medi-Facial. So the first step is double cleanser. So in double cleansing we use two types of cleansers. One is the oil-based cleanser, second is the water-based cleanser, so that it deeply removes the dirts and impurities from your skin. So in the second step we apply a bubble foaming mask, which because of the action of the foaming, it deeply removes the dirt from your pores. The third step is the exfoliation. Now after the double cleansing and exfoliation is done, we infuse a serum called as a snail mucin serum, which is a very popular skincare product. Now this serum helps in the hydration, it has an anti-aging properties, it helps in skin repair and nourishment. After this we infuse serums like vitamin C serum, vitamin E serum, which will again hydrate your skin. This is followed by a hyaluronic acid sheet mask and moisturizer and then sunscreen. So coming to a very important question, why is this facial trending and so popular? We infuse a very interesting serum called as a snail mucin serum, which is a very popular product in Korea. And this serum helps you to hydrate your skin and give that plumpness to your skin and instant hydration so that you get that dewy and luminous finish. That is the reason your skin has that glass type texture. So I hope I have answered all your questions regarding the Korean glass skin facial. If you have any more doubts, any more queries, you can write down to us. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.